How to fix the issue with M&T Bank application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with not working M&T Bank application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, you need to head towards Google Play Store or simply go to Apple Store if you're an iOS device. And then, in the search box, you need to type M&T Bank. At the top result, if you see the option of update beside the application's name, click on it and do update the application. After that, now you need to head towards the setting of the application. So for that, tap and hold on the app icon and click on App Info. There you will see the option of storage. Simply click on it and click on Clear Cache. Once the cache has been cleared, now the application will run smoothly, as sometimes collected cache can also affect the performance of the application. Now, after all this step, if your problem is still not solved, you are suggested to uninstall the application and reinstall it. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with M&T Bank application not working. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.